So hello beautiful people, maayong buntag, good morning, buenos dias. Ako si Tina.
At ako si Zay, Tagalog pa rin.
Hindi. Wala lang. Feel ko lang magtagalog, pero charot. So anyway, hello Zai.
Hello, Tina!
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Formal.
And you?
I am awesome, thank you.
Yes.
So,
So, napaka-yin and yang natin ngayon.
oo nga,
We
black.
are yin-yangs.
Oo nga, parang
Yes.
gano'n talaga, parang balance lang. Parang RG at GL. At dahil yan ang ating topic sa gabing ito, no, we will be normalizing wellness.
Yes. Sandali, pipicturean ko muna ang ating mga mukha. Smile.
Diba? Nagpicture pa kami sa harap ng ating mga audience sa gabing ito. So welcome
Yes.
everybody. And I know wellness is like a topic that has been lost for the past years. It has been re-emerging right now due to the COVID situation. So yeah, how do we really boost our immunity? No, and how do we normalize wellness? Is it something that only the experts can help us with, or can you do something as a layman or as an individual, no, kahit wala kang fields of expertise when it comes to whatever medicine that is, like traditional medicine or even modern medicine credentials, can you actually do something about your health or your body, diba?
Yes. So, maganda yan. Because as a parent, of course, nandito na ang aking darling girl. Okay, wait lang, mag-off ko na ako ng camera.
Okay, Maggie just
Okay, so yes, as a parent, of course, it's very important to go back to our go back to the natural process, wherein we should learn how to, meron talagang should, no, how to yes, how to honor our body and to boost our immune system, because according to our favorite doctor, Dr. Zach Bush, the body doesn't have an organ called the immune system. The human body is an immune system. Yes, I believe. Okay. Yes, so there you go. Nakakalimutan natin na yun pala yung important thing, the boosting our immune system. We always go, masyado akong ma-POV, no? Pero I have like interesting point of view. I have this point of view that we always go to yung curing the diagnosis instead of, like na-mention ni Dr. what's his name?
Ferdahl.
Yeah, Ferdahl. Na we forgot ba na sa root, what's the root cause of the problem, what's the root cause of the disease.
Okay, so yeah, so Zai is currently with Maggie, and yeah, just to pick up on what Zai has, where Zai has left off, no, meaning, we're not here to manage diseases because that's the job of the doctor. We as an individual, or you with a body, you're responsible also for your health, and we are here to, well, for the lack of better word, manage health, or how to achieve that optimum health that we are, that we all want. Because if you want to enjoy life, we can only enjoy our lives if our body, or our vehicle in which we are living in this human existence, or this earth lifetime, mas better talaga that our body and our vehicle is in its optimum health, or in its optimum shape, no? So, para lang yung sasakyan, 'di ba? Mas maganda kung naka comfortable and luxurious yung car mo. So, how are you taking care of your body? Is it the same way that you take care of your car? No, so I see a lot of people, they take care so much about their car, but they don't really take care of their physical vehicle. And so this conversation about normalizing wellness is about how to take care of your physical vehicle. So, and where do we start? Where do we begin? Diba? Saan ba tayo magsisimula?
Yes. Saan ba tayo magsisimula?
Oo nga, kasi ang lawak ng ating discussion. Pero yeah, let's start with ABC. Na
Yes.
tapos yung sinabi ni Dr. Ferdo that
Napakaganda ng topic nyo kanina. It was really fun, light, and very informative. And
diba?
scientific.
And very scientific
Yes.
in a way, pero it was delivered in a layman's term also that wherein even us, we can understand. And or
Yes.
basic
Yes,
talaga.
true.
True.
And
So,
philosophical.
yeah. Yeah. Marami siyang mga principles that he cited that is truly, that will make you think, no? That will make you think about,
True.
so actually basic lang naman talaga in taking care. Oh. Basic na ang mag-take care ng body. It's not basic in modern lifestyle kasi yun nga, we're used to eating fast food, you know, that's the normal. That's the normal. Like it's normal for you to order fast food products rather than taking healthy products. I mean, it's if you're the one taking the healthy products, like for example, ikaw nagtitake ka ng herbs or like what we have in DXN, if we take and consume them, you're not the normal person. Because the normal one is the one who's just, very dependent on what's in the market or grocery store.
Yes. And parang continuation sa inyong topic kanina. And yes, it was also wonderful na when he also cited na most of our products, or all of our products, including coffee, they have enzymes, and enzymes aid in digestion. So, and like what you have said a while ago, now we've been eating junk food, kind of mga processed food and all. So those food don't have enzymes.
Yeah.
So what are you feeding your body, right? So, and again, it all starts in the gut, diba? Because all our disease, it was also said by Tito Hippocrates that all our diseases all our diseases came from our gut. So yung favorite na line,
Let thy food,
pasok mo.
let thy food be thy medicine, and let thy medicine be thy food.
Yes. So what are you feeding your body? Because ang saya, because we have also mentioned before na depression or mental health problems also are also caused by the food that we take. So it's really wonderful to be aware of what food you are eating, what you're giving your body, and how did we get so lucky that our products are, complete na siya. It's food.
Yes.
It's food.
So true. All our products are actually food. And I like that Dr. Ferdo actually corrected us when we use the term supplements. We're not actually supplements. We're really just food. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna be I'm gonna be correcting myself from now on. So we're not supplements. We're really just food. So yung mga tanong natin dyan if about how often do we take our products, how often do we take the Ganoderma? And yung tanong niya nga sa akin na very philosophical na, do you take food before, how do you eat food? Before food or after food? Oh my gosh, it's so funny. And syempre, di ba, tama. You take it when you want to eat it. So,
yes. True. I like that there's no ano yun, proper.
No fixed
I
rules.
forgot the.
There are
Oh
no
yes, no
rules.
fixed rules. Yes, because like for me, as a beautiful being, as a beautiful infinite being, I am not really into structures. Like sometimes I forget to eat my food, to eat my DXN food in the morning. So I take it any time of the day, and I don't make myself wrong for doing so. And
Yeah,
yeah, it's just wonderful and it's liberating.
true. Kasi,
Yes, and also yes.
huh?
Yes.
Okay, you continue, continue.
Yes. Yeah. So, I also love the questions. Na mag-review lang na itaan sa inyo ang interview ko ganina ba, no?
Sige, sige. Gwapo manggod to. Sige.
Yes, because it's also related to our topic. But if you have akay mga ikadalit.
Di, okay lang. Ito na siya. Mauna to. Mauna to tong mga ano.
Yes. Yeah, so ipalay na lang ako because our team, the Fox Tribe team is actually has just started the Boost Your Immune System campaign because of what's going on in our country. There's just sa Davao na amin permanente makita sa Facebook na increasing number of COVID infection, something. So yeah, we came up to this campaign of boosting your immune system. And then earlier during nga sa the doctor is in interview ni Tina with Dr. Fardo. Michelle. Yes. My question doon na about when we take even if we take DXN products, we eat DXN food, we still get infected by COVID. Tama
Yeah,
ba?
true. Yeah, there was that question.
Yes, I just love the answer ni Doc, ni Doc, ni Doc. So, parang fox din si Doc eh. So,
He is really a
I
fox.
love, yeah, yes, but because he was really realistic and very straightforward. Like, it still depends on your immunity or what again kung sabay mo ang mga gina-feed sa imong body and
And also,
what have you been
virus is like everywhere. And
yes
you don't know if it will go to you. Sabi din niya na wala namang wala namang yung virus na if the XN member
like the
alam mo
XN.
Oy, magsabi ng virus ng ganyan, di ba? So it was very funny and real. And I like it that we are being taught how to
True.
market our products in an authentic way, not to say those kind of things na, uy, pag take lang ani, you've got COVID. That's the wrong term. But you can say, you take these products because A treats B, B treats C, meaning when you take this awesome food that we have in DXN, the Ganoderma, the Spirulina, the Morinda citrifolia, Roselle, and all of that.
Yes.
That will treat the B, which is your body, meaning to function well. And your body will then treat the disease or virus or whatever that is. So we never say that our products kill you, okay? Never say that.
Yes, we are very clear about that, and Dr. Lin is very clear about that, and Gynotherapy is also very clear about that. Anyway, if you'd like to attend a Gynotherapy class, you can also send us a message here at Fox Tribe. Our goddess Tina will schedule a Gynotherapy class for us.
Yay,
Yes,
so
it's a
good.
very wonderful. Yes, that's my favorite. That's our favorite, Gynotherapy.
True.
Yes, and speaking of Gynotherapy, I just had this is my personal na checka.
Please.
So I just my body experienced cough, close to flu last week because it's the season to be ubo-ubo. So yeah, so uso ang ubo karon guys. My God. So yeah, because of the weather, And then, yeah, or because, just because nagkaubo na jud ko. And almost nagka-flu, na siya symptoms sa flu. So what I did was just listen to my body, and body wanted to rest. So I just, sige na ko katulog. And yeah, and then it's me ha, it's my body. So I'm not really into medicine, and I believe in my body so much, and I believe in DXN products so much. So I just, kanang normal na mo na ginainom, gi-double lang na ko siya, double triple. So I had spica tea in the morning, more in the afternoon, so in between my meals, and any time of the day, every day, and Cordipine, and of course RGC, GL, and B pollen. So I gi-double ko lang siya than usual. And voila, more ilang days lang.
So,
And of course, yes, and rehydrate. So, kikot na si Tina, the stigma of the cough. So, yeah, and I also did not go out because, sa panahon ngayon, kana, umuubo lang ka, Zay. Diba? We're kulba na kaya. So, yes, we show compassion also to other people because, we never know how murag kanang basin o kanang makulbaan na sila or sa bahay makakause kapag whatever sa ibang tao when you go out. So, yeah, you listen to your body and also just rest and yeah, eat healthy food. Check your diet.
Awesome. So actually, those are really wonderful points in normalizing wellness, meaning being taking care of yourself, and that involves how you will listen to your body, no? And yeah, what a contribution that is, you to know what you know already, and following your knowing and your trusting. Yun kasi yun talaga yung sa wellness. Wellness is, not something that you depend on other people for, but it's something that you have within you. You just have to experience it and on yourself. And of course, we listen to the doctors, meaning yeah, we listen to Dr. Lim, we listen to Dr. Ferdo, we listen to Dr. Zach Bush, we listen to Hippocrates. How do you say Hippocrates, whatever the pronunciation is. No, we listen to the
Hippocrates.
beautiful people. Yeah, Hippocrates. So this beautiful, awesome people who has contributions in health and healing, and we watched ano yung mga food matters, those things, just to yeah, educate yourself and orient yourself in various healing. How do you heal, in that form, no? Yeah. Pero of course, we're not saying if you have, of course, an underlying condition, you go to the doctor. That is their job. If you have a disease or something, that needs a doctor's attention, please go to them. We're not saying
Yes.
don't go to the doctor yourself. It's not like that.
Yes.
We're saying this to healthy people, okay? This conversation about normalizing wellness, it's for you as a healthy individual. What can you do right now that parang kung sa money pa ba, you're investing your money at a younger age, di ba? When you invest like insurance or everything, you invest your money when you are younger. It's the same way with your physical health. Kailan ka ba mag-invest sa physical health mo? When you turn 60, and that's the time you invest. That's gonna be a bit late, like what Dr. Ferdo said. And the same thing with the car. When you get a car, when do you maintain it? After 15 years? Of course, you maintain it even every 3 months. May mga check-up pa yung car mo. Bakit? Mas take care mo pa yung car mo kaysa sa sarili mo. Or motor. Or let's talk about motor. No, lami kayo yung limpyo-limpyo sa motor. Pero nalimpyuhan ba na inyong tinai? sa Mabisaya ta, limpyo hitawan inyong tinae, guys. Kasi no matter
Yeah.
how much you take mga vegetables and bananas, if your tinae is dirty, it cannot be absorbed in your system. So that's why we go back
Yes,
to the
true.
gut.
Yes, so i-check ako lang itong kay Ate Jenny. Miss Jenny Nales said, according to Dr. Bush, on air, around and under the ground, there are microbes that are a million times more than the stars in our universe. Same with our body, we have a healthy flora, virus, and bacteria within. So we're not a sterile environment either. Attempting to extract or remove the organic garden from our body, we will be prone to diseases. So yeah, Dr. Bush also said if you try to kill the virus and the bacteria, you will die.
Yes. Dili yun na siya ma-eliminate. You just
Yeah, so eat dirty.
eat dirt.
Eat dirt. Yes, eat dirt.
That's why, di ba, the kids that are very healthy are those kids who ate dirt when they were young. So I ate dirt.
Yes.
You eat dirt? I ate dirt. I tried this
Yes.
dirt.
Yes, and it was also mentioned doon sa aking favorite na documentary na Kiss the Ground, to eat dirt. It means
Oh,
that
really?
yes, you eat these organic food or the food that you plant in your garden.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
diba? So, because ang oh my God, you should watch the Kiss the Ground.
I
It's
haven't
really wonderful.
one.
Yeah, so if you are this person, so anyone who can relate to this, everyone is talking about climate change, but no one is talking about how to plant or when to start planting trees. So
Yeah, true.
kana siya. And
It's the same thing. It's the same
yes,
thing about meditation, ba? When's the best time to meditate, or when's the best time to start meditating? Now. It's the same
yes.
thing with planting. When's the best time to plant? Now.
How?
When's the best
Yes, true.
time to take care of yourself? Now. Yun lang yun.
That is so true. Yes, if you want to if you want to see the change in the world, kinsa gini mo nani? Be the change you want to see in the world. Was that Rumi?
Lao Tzu.
Allowed to, sorry. I see.
No. Gandhi.
Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes.
Yes, so yeah, so di ba murag connected ra siya tanan, and like when are you gonna listen to your body? When are you gonna listen to your body? When will you start your meditation? And it was also mentioned na healthy body, healthy mind will make you really happy. So mo bitaw na sa DXN, health, wealth, and happiness. Mo gini kung ma-remember sa DXN ba? Because how can you be happy although you have all the wealth in the world but you're not healthy? Where can you find happiness then?
True. So true. It's
Kalingaw.
lingaw jud, diba? Ang atong conversation
Yes.
tonight. So, yeah, if you have something tonight to remember, tonight to remember about normalizing wellness is number one, yeah, listen to your body. What does your body require and what does your body need right now? And your body will tell you,
Yeah.
actually. Of course, you may not hear it, dili mo na siya mukuan, diba? But you will know when, I don't know how to explain it, but there are times na your body will say, eat this. No, I don't know. But siguro, depende na lang na if you are in a good connect, you have a wonderful connection with your body na. But if you are someone who is still disconnected with your body, try to do sunya first. And then you will become aware with the
Yeah.
molecules of your body. You become aware of your breathing.
True.
You become aware of your heartbeat. Because, yeah, how often do we listen to our heartbeat? Sige lang mag-listen sa heartbeat sa inyong partner, pero inyong sarili, wa mo kabaw. Isa na inyong mga partner there, I hear your heartbeat, pero inyong sarili, na-hear mo ba? Oh my gosh. So, siya mangiro, gano'ng mga love, no? So, wala lang eh. Sa pa ba? What do I say?
So, nag-comment si Ate Jenny here. Si Tita Jenny, that we have 8 million viewers. Oh my God, thank you so
Hello,
much.
5 million viewers.
Yes. Yeah, so sabi ni Tita Jenny, so we need enough stimulus or external virus to create enough immune activity to survive the toxicity prevalent right now.
True.
So, Kato, again, yeah, go out, soak in the sun, draw
True.
down the sun, and
Actually,
yeah,
yeah.
meditate. Sunya, please,
And
Sunya.
also how we evolve our bodies. There's always this like virus, this bacteria, by interacting with these microbiomes that is outside, of the outside of us, meaning sa environment natin, when we go out to the, yung sabi ni Zai, kiss the ground, when you go to nature, when you interact with the beach, the sea, the sand, and everything, and all of that. Those are, and when you breathe in the air, the outside air, not the indoor air that you're breathing right now, but, just step out of your room or step out into the garden,
Yeah.
or, and then breathe in that air, and you're now interacting with these microbiomes. And this will help your body evolve or um, level up, no? Kasi pag mag-interact siya doon, so there will be chemical responses inside your system. So, yun. And yeah, what else is possible?
Yes, bitaw. Oh, because lately we've been really with for for more than a year, I think, but mas intense na siya right now. Like we've been really connected to the earth and to our body. So that's why we do a lot of things as a contribution to our body and to the earth because you are earth. You are earth. Do not forget that. So um yeah, so what do we feed the earth, diba? And also, how did we get so lucky that the products that we are eating are actually from the earth? Like, these are gifts from Mother Earth. So, diba? Why not trust the product and trust your body
True,
and
true.
trust the earth?
Trust the earth. Yeah,
Yeah.
and commune with that, and have that communion. So yeah. So ayun, just to recap on what we have, if for people who are just jumping in, and we are just talking about how to normalize wellness. Getting back into the conversation of taking care of your body, of your health. No, because when we also say what health, there's also many factors in health. We call it, meron tayong physical health, mental health, spiritual health, financial health, so, but today in this topic, we're talking about physical health, how you connect with your bodies. And normalizing wellness involves connecting first with your body. Kasi mahirap man take care ng something
Body.
when you're not even connected with your body. You're disassociated with your body. You don't even know, am I breathing? Am I, beating? Is my heart beating? Charot. But of course,
Are you
involuntary,
manananggal?
ano?
Are you manananggal?
Oo nga, no?
Well,
Kasi,
sadali. Ang mananggal nga, kay ginaconnect niya gani ang kanyang bodies, no? Aware siya sa iyong body.
so true.
Kapal.
Kung yaw kayo
Yeah.
manananggal, maka-disconnect siya niya, makonect pa dyan niya. So, diba? These are
Gani.
So, there's an Get Dirty. Ito daw yung magandang campaign. Play
Yes.
mo Get Dirty. So, yeah, well, let's have that
Yes, get
next
dirty.
campaign. We will be dirty and let's be dirty and everything that is.
Yes.
So, yun.
Yes. Yeah, so diba, it's wonderful because even this one that we are doing, this campaign, it's also in reverse because we have learned how to kaning all parang sa kadugay ba kay we have been taught to cure the diagnosis but we were never taught how to find or to heal the root or to treat the root cause of the problem or to exterminate it. Murag pabaliktad, no? Lingaw. It's still reverse. And yeah, when is the best time to start?
Now,
I
now,
think
now.
now, now yun. As in, now. Because ang now, baliktaron, it's one.
Yes, one. If you do
And
it now, you've won.
yes,
If you do it now, you've won.
yes.
So let's win
Yeah.
with
So,
me.
diba? So, um, you have already won if you decide now. You
True.
start doing it now. So,
Yeah.
winner, di hapon pa, guys.
So true.
Yeah,
So
and I love also Dr. Yes, I sorry, Katagihang, love yourself. Take care of your body. I love it.
true. I love how he ended it and how he asked us to connect with our bodies and love ourselves. So that was really parang wow from a doctor. It's really nice to hear that.
Yes. Tinuod jud, tinuod jud. It's really wonderful because there's no doubt about the products that we are eating,
True.
and there is also no doubt about the ability of your body,
To heal.
of our bodies. So kana siya. Do not forget, guys, because we forget.
So true. Especially
Remember.
always especially sa mga ilang taon na sa DXN, 'di ba? Some people they just forget and um yeah, they just forget that it's right in front of their eyes, you know. If they just take it daily.
True.
And some people they take the products ano na pag may sakit. That's the thing lang that's very funny. And then they say the herbs don't work. Wow, you took the herbs when you are sick. So it's not a magic thing and you didn't have your sickness overnight. I mean, di ka nagkasakit overnight. You also accumulated that over the years. And then to expect these herbs to work in in a quick way for you, especially na wala kang ininvest, para lang yan sa bangko, di ba? 60 years old ka, na gusto mo mag-withdraw, eh, wala ka namang na-deposit. So, wala kang na-invest sa body mo. So, how can it be,
Oo.
how can it contribute in the later or in the long run? So, yeah, this is actually our call, you know, normalizing wellness and boosting your immune system series is this call is for you to, you know, take a good look at yourself and your body and how and connect with your body and how of course with connecting you with your body also get to connect with the environment around you, the earth, the trees, you know, have that communion and ask your body what it requires and what it needs for it to be more healthy. And of course, yeah, yun lang. Yeah, we are DXN distributors, so of course we will recommend to you if you ask us, Zai and me, and the rest of the Fox tribe, if you ask us what are the best food, of course we will recommend you our DXN products because that's, you know, me myself
Yes.
been taking it for how many years? 20 years, almost 20 years now. So yeah, yun, parang pag kanang mura siguro kung naay mag-alien invasion o niya, kanang gusto nila gwapog dugo, charot lang. Feeling kayo, no? Kanang basig, o diba, ganoderma
Oo.
kayo. Everything, ang ano sa ato, ang dugo kay ganoderma. So, mangita yun sila mga DXN distributors na sige, inom mo ganoderma. So, but really, what we're trying to say is,
True.
yeah, in order for you to start now and do it daily. Do it, you know, not when you are sick.
Yeah.
Amo dool sa amo na, na ako'y sakit. Not when you're sick. We maintain
Taas na imong dose, no?
yeah, you can actually.
Yes. Mutaas na kahit coffee, if you start with coffee, I started with coffee.
True.
Before the supplements. Yeah, for I think 2 years, I was so stuck to coffee and lion's mane, and then later on is the RGGL. Yeah, so what else is possible with RDX and products and with your immune system? So boosting your immune system doesn't really, we don't really we're not telling you that you won't get sick at all. Of course, there are also times nga dili pud yun ka, like you lack sleep or you forgot, like for me, kanang I don't get enough sleep good, and I don't even complain about it. So maybe more nagyap yung mga loopholes. But what is nice about yes, um what's nice about taking or eating your DXN food and plus vegetables pa and fruits and water, and when you get sick or that's okay, dili na sick na lang. So kung magkaubo ka or whatever, ang pag-treat ni body sa imuha, the way it treats you, si body, kay with ease na lang. And it's not so kanang agonizing ba, like you will just notice that mo fight gid siya, like because coughing is, di ba mo basig so kung ano sa kuarang nabalaan no. So where siya okay, you will know that your antibodies are also acting, are also fighting against the bacteria or the virus, especially when you have the sore throat or tonsillitis. So kana siya. It's a good sign, and fever actually for first 3 days. Kana siya. It's really good. And what else is possible? Makakilig, actually, makakilig.
As in, actually, when you get off from that kanang parang you did not feel good because yeah, you had flu and everything, and then you got off it without the use of drugs. It's so liberating. It's like, oh my gosh, I'm so powerful. Yeah. By just
yes,
feeding
true.
Awesome food, my body is able to recover. So yeah.
Yes. And this morning, si Buddy Richard Lorente, he posted that iyahalang gitake was spaghetti, and that's what we also do for daily ginang spaghetti na to, di ba? And I also add that to our ulam. So true. Yeah, it's true. Just trust in your products. Just trust in our products.
Oh, si Maggie na is crying, no? So yes, what else is possible? We just trust in our body, and of course, make sure that what you intake is beneficial to your gut and beneficial to your body. So yun talaga. And it doesn't mean that you're taking the RGGL, you're now safe and you can eat as many as you want. Hindi din yan ganyan. So, magandang reminder yung kay Dr. Ferdo kanina when he said that, yeah, you're taking this much food na Ganoderma, but you're taking a lot of junk. It's okay to eat junk. We're not saying you don't eat burgers and all. We still eat, okay? We eat. We still eat those. But, there's still moderation. Sino nga si Aristotle ba yun yung avoid extremes, practice moderation. Moderation in this in terms of the body, because yeah, anything that is extreme or kung sa access pa, it's a beyond. Anything that is a beyond, it's not really cute. So so ganun lang din yan sa bodies natin. Yun nga lang, ang magandang beyond lang is if you're taking Ganoderma and you take a lot, okay lang talaga, walang mangyayari sa system mo. You'd benefit from it, of course. Yeah, yun lang. Like our Crown Ambassador Laszlo is taking 1 bottle a day of Morinji. So, and he has been taking it for 1,000 days already. O, diba? Amazing. And he documents it daily. So, ikaw, what have you been taking yourself? Ano ba yung kinukonsume mo ngayon that is helping your body build itself and boost its own immune and able to fight off whatever that is necessary, no? Kasi yun nga, yeah, mga toxins, yung mga ganun. So merong Japanese anime, the very nice, I think it's called White Blood Cells. I forgot. It's a Japanese anime and it depicts mga white blood cells natin and all. It's so fun to watch. If you don't like to watch yung mga scientific explanation. So it has a scientific explanation, yet it's anime, naka-cartoons siya. So yung mga white blood cells takes on the form of a human, but they're actually red blood cells and white blood cells. So, and you will see how it works inside your body. So our body is a wonderful organism, very, very awesome system that works together. And in our studies in gynotherapy, we treat holistically. And so that is how we do it in the wellness industry or in this field. We don't just take a look at our liver, ganyan, ito lang, ganyan, but we treat it as a whole. So walang segmented parts of it. So yun, just what Ate Jenny typed here, Dr. Ferdo said, we are not here to cure their disease. Example, mga cancer patients. We are here to make the patient comfortable during their journey. That is really a wonderful statement from Dr. Ferdo. He has a very awesome mga principles that is beneficial for us, and we hope we could invite him here on our space soon and to normalize wellness, with him. He is also very awesome kasi he does acupuncture, cupping, gynotherapy, iridology, ganun. Lahat ng mga gusto nating anuhin, parang kinuha din ni Dr. Ferdo.
Yes. How good siya.
Yeah, he's
very philosophical.
True. And we love.
Yes.
Hi, Maggie. So with us, we are joined by our baby Maggie. Ayan. Baby Maggie is agreeing to our and how much fun can we have while taking our DXN products, and do enjoy taking them, message us or join our campaign. So yun lang, yun talagang aming goal, hindi naman goal, target for everybody to know that we have this Boost Your Immune Series campaign wherein you just post anything about boosting your immune system. It can be related to our DXN products or even not related to our DXN products. Sometimes you post something about, like for me, I posted something about lanzones and how seasonal and local eating is a benefit for you. Seasonal eating and locally grown food is a benefit for you. And the wonderful thing about our DXN products is that most our product lines are traditional Chinese medicine, or these are herbs that are found in our countries in ASEAN region, or mga Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, India, so and China. So yun yung mga herbs natin na gamit are basically most of the herbs are found on the East. So really awesome and extensive research that dates back to mga BC pa, 2000 BC, mga ganun-ganun na mga research, no? So, we're using ancient knowledge. It's not a new breakthrough or what. It's an ancient knowledge that has been lost and, pinapa-die down. But now it's resurfacing and you will be part of that. So, yes, Zai, meron ka pa bang i-add?
Yes, I'm here.
Would you like
okay, yeah. So, ayun. Yun na nga. Nabasa na ba itong kay Tita Jenny? Yeah. So, yes, again, to remind everyone that our immune system, our body is our immune system. So, kana siya, you boost your body, exercise, do sunya, and eat your DXN food. Diba, Maggie? And also experiment with your DXN food, with our DXN food. You can also experiment. You can do a lot of magic.
True. So experiment and play with your food. Add colors to your food. The colorful the food is, the better, the more natural. So fun that we have yellow bee pollen, green spirulina, red roselle. So there's colors in what we're taking, and of course our mushrooms in different shades of brown. So pwede ta maghimo ana nga presentation, shades of brown. Mga mushroom dito tong storyahan ba. No, so usapang kabute. maraming kabutehan ang nangyayari sa pag-uusap natin sa mga kabute. Okay? Usapang kabute. Hala, maghimo ta anak nga program siya nyo usapang kabute.
Sure. Sure.
Kabute ka na ba?
Sa Tea Time Thursday. Or sa one of our Zero Fox Given Mondays.
Oo nga. Ganun lang. Usapang kabute. Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching our Zero Fox Given tonight. It has been a wonderful night with all of you. And it's a lovely sharing. If you haven't watched our previous video with Dr. Ferdo, we recommend it. There's so much insights about health and healing and using our DXN products, mainly Ganoderma, Spirulina, and Morinda citrifolia, and how he also recommended Sunya therapy as part of healing yourself, taking care of yourself. And yon. So maybe Zai, I will just post the si Zai ang mag-promote. Okay lang? Mga upcoming classes. Ay na si Maggie. Sige. So I will be sharing our upcoming classes and calls. If you still want to sign up for Money Isn't the Problem, you still have time. This is a 6th call. Even if you missed tonight, you can still join next week. You will just get the recording. So you can still join. Money isn't the problem, you are. This is 10,000 pesos. And another round is we have Kindness to Self. This is a group symphony taster. It opens you up to more possibilities. And the theme for tomorrow, this is tomorrow at 10 o'clock sa gabi. Yung papunta ka na ng sleep, which is very wonderful because at least yung mga clearings, itulog mo na lang siya after. So it's a contribution. So this one is 2,500 for 45 minutes. And of course, we're also promoting the Being You in Business. So if you are one that is struggling with business per se, or want to learn more about how to bring yourself in business and doing business differently, this is a wonderful call. So this will be on October 31st and November 1st. This call is 15,000 pesos. Thank you for watching our Zero Fox Given Mondays. And don't forget, this Wednesday, 3 p.m., we have a Get Happy Unicorn BU series. Ayan. So it's a free Zoom call with the Fox Tribe and the Unicorns and everybody else, the Sisterhood of the Rose. Andyan kami lahat, no? So we are just there for conversation and at the same time to contribute to one another. And of course, don't forget, if you want to learn more about health and food, no, food matters, we are on our part 2 of film viewing. So 3 p.m. naman ito sa Tea Time Thursdays. And don't forget, there's still a Go Up session at the DXN Sunya Center. So just book yourself a slot. Again, we have to be mindful of the COVID protocols. So please book yourself a slot kasi we cannot, exceed to certain participants. So book yourself a slot. This will be a contribution for you. If you want to try our Gem Puri set, if you want to try the Amethyst skincare series before buying it, so it's only 555 pesos for one session. Meron ka na ding access bar session in that. And don't forget to watch our Sunya Sundays every 2:30 in the afternoon tuwing linggo. Kami ay sinasali namin sa wikang Tagalog ang mga Sunya Talks ni Dr. Lim. And of course, our online hippie market where we sell our crystals and at the same time DXN products if you want to buy them. So yon, 7:30 p.m. naman siya. And don't forget our Harmony call in the future, this coming November 11, 2020, November 12, 2020, and December 21, 2020. Yes. So yeah, what else is possible and how does it get any better than this? Thank you so much for being with us tonight. I am Tina.
And I am Zai from the deck. And with me is Maggie.
Yeah. And we hope
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being with us. Blessings. Bye-bye.